welcome, dear travelers. This is our Ancient Forge devlog, and today we will talk about all great stuff that is coming to Hotel Galactic. My name is Kamila, and today with our technical director, Adam, we will talk more about what is coming to Hotel Galactic on December 18th and about all the new features that we will introduce to you with the next patch. Our early access release was an extremely difficult time for us. We faced some backlashes from our poor priorities during the production and all our bad decisioning made throughout the development process. Today, we are coming to tell you more about how we are going to fix things, what will change in Hotel Galactic, and how we are going to proceed further with the development process. That was not the release we were all hoping for, and for that, we are deeply sorry. To show you how much we are grateful for your full support since the release, we are going to release a free DLC full of decorative items, a lot of new decorations for your rooms. Without further ado, let's talk about Hotel Galactic new patch.
Hi everyone, I'm Adam. I'm a new technical director at Ancient Forge. We'll talk about the new features and a deep systemic rework that we conducted in the last few months.
Our decision to start a complete rework of the AI of our workers, of our guests, was an extremely difficult decision. And I wanted to ask you, as our technical director, why we exactly needed that to move forward with patching the game, with adding new content. What caused us to make that decision?
Usually, we make a quick prototype and then we have an analysis phase. What can break? What are the edge cases? What are the interactions with the other parts of the system? For unknown reason, this part was skipped. The new features worked only in the most naive scenario and sometimes breaks the previous mechanics.
Okay, so we implemented something without the testing, and then when something new was added, it was basically breaking the previous part.
Yeah,
okay.
Exactly. First example, incomplete implementation of drag and drop. After the drag, walker's task was blocked for the rest of the game. Second example, guest is eating at restaurant. Player decides to pack to create their table. And after that, the guest is stuck because his table no longer exists, so he don't know what to do, and it's freezed forever.
So that was the part that basically caused all of the problems that our players reported to us after the early access?
Yeah, most of the restaurant problems.
Okay. And also I think some of other problems as well, but
yeah, it's
yeah, but the logic is the same.
Yeah.
Okay, right now we are around 5 months after the early access release. First 2 months and all the first patches that we introduced were about to fix the current problem that the players reported to us. But from the technical perspective, technical-wise, where are we standing at right now?
In the first 2 months, we were duct taping things.
Yeah.
Then we realized that it's not the way, and we have to step back and make a deep systemic rework.
But for what? What it will give us?
It cleared the path for the new mechanics and the new patches.
Okay, so without it, it would be hard to add new things without breaking things that were already duct taped.
Yeah.
Okay.
We reinforced our QA and introduced a complete testing pipeline for our game.
We definitely improved the QA part, and we are sure that right now our QA process is very efficient. But what has changed in the code itself?
We reduced the behaviors to 2 templates, go and do and carry. So when we fix a bug in carrying a wood, this bug is also fixed in carrying a furniture or dish.
Or any other items.
Yeah. We also added a system that tracks who uses which object. This prevents collisions between characters.
Okay, exactly like in the example with the table you mentioned before.
Yeah.
Okay. So from what are you saying, I assume that you will not be able to pack the table that is in use currently anymore, right?
Correct. But I think the players always find a way to surprise us.
Okay, so I think we would all like to know how it exactly worked previously, how it worked now, and how it will work in the future.
Previously, the guest was stacked,
Like we said.
like we said. Now, player cannot issue the order to pack this table to the crate. Of course, we want to keep improving this, allowing players to pack the object without the need to break this action. But this is still in progress.
Okay, so right now we are preventing them from breaking things, but we want to fix it to not cause the break.
Yeah,
Okay.
to ensure the proper user experience.
Okay, so I think we defined kind of a solid base for our code right now, and it will make the implementation further easier for us. But what exactly players will see from this rework? What will be their reward?
They will see much less stacks, freezes, and blockers, so the gameplay should be smooth and without bugs. Some mechanics had to be rewrite from scratch. For example, the backpack. Previously, sometimes it works, sometimes not.
Okay,
And
a kind of lottery.
yeah, kind of. And now, backpack will allow the workers to carry more item. For example, 3 or 4 wooden logs.
Okay, but will we observe the situation or animation when the worker is carrying things and dropping them to their backpacks, or how it will work exactly?
Yes, in one of the next patches, probably.
Okay, so this is still in progress,
Yeah.
but still we are going to present the possibility to carry more items on the hand of the worker during the upcoming patch.
Yeah.
Okay. That's actually very nice because, you know, carrying all of those resources can be really exhausting.
Yeah, especially during building.
Yeah.
When you have to carry 10
Yeah, the wood.
resources. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Basically, if you have a backpack, you can carry more in your hands.
Okay. Yeah, this is a very useful thing for the workers to carry more in the hands when you are using backpack. This is definitely reasonable.
Of course, we will implement the animations in the future.
Okay, I think we know pretty much about the rework, so thank you for sharing all the details with us. But we also have to move for other topics. We have prepared a lot of great things for our community, for our patch, and also we observed some suggestions from our community. We talked with them, especially on Discord. So thank you everyone for dropping your suggestions and helping us improve the game. But we decided that we also need to implement some quality of life changes. Can you tell us more about it?
You requested building up to 7 floors.
I would request even for 10 floors, if I could.
That's almost double the previous 4 floors.
Yeah, but for 4 floors is like not enough to, you know, to use the creativity, so I had to request more. And I know that the community wanted it as well, so...
So we're testing it now, and it can happen.
It will happen, I hope. I hope it will happen because we are waiting for it eagerly, and I'm pretty sure that our community is waiting for that as well. But what other quality of life changes we are improving now?
We also reworked.
And we like to rework?
Yeah. The research tree. Previously, it was a maze of the chaotic researches.
Yeah, it was super detailed, very small. We had to scroll in, scroll out, move somewhere there. Yeah, there was a lot.
Yeah. So now there is a whole new research trees with branches.
Yeah, actually we categorized things and I myself added some categories to that to spread the decoration from the researches that are more related to mechanics or our hotel stuff, so yeah.
We also wanted to add some life to the hotel. So now the guests will talk to each other.
So basically we're introducing a small part of guest interactions already.
Yeah.
Okay.
We also implemented a big vendor change.
That's actually nice because we saw that vendor, bring a lot of random items, starting from different furnitures, from different sets, like items that were implemented but were not working, or other things that were not very usable at the moment. So, what he will bring us now?
Mainly the resources and ingredients, the useful items.
Yeah, things that will help us craft things.
Yeah.
Okay. And from what I know, there will be also a special slot where he will be carrying floor patterns and wall patterns to, help us express our creativity in the hotel.
Exactly.
Okay, so besides all of those reworks and features that we change, we have also a lot of new things, like, for example, compendium. In such a complex game, this is required to add a lot of information and kind of introduce players with what they should do, how they should proceed with the gameplay. And that part for us will be a compendium. It will contain a lot of information, starting with the lore, which is very complex and very lore heavy, as you can see from the dialogues and all of the story that is happening. But we will also introduce a lot of new content regarding the lore. Can you tell us more?
I personally can't wait for the new VIP guest, Princess Pavonis.
And Sir Scalis
Yeah.
is coming with her.
She also brings a unique minigame, Walk a Deret, that player can play in arcade room.
Yeah, this is actually the first minigame, but we are planning to implement more of them, and also we'll have some movies in the cinema, so I think that will be a nice addition to the general gameplay.
Yeah, definitely. It is a great way to keep the player engaged.
Okay, we are introducing new story, new VIP, some kind of mini game. Do you think we are ready to introduce such a big part of new content with our code now?
It will be a huge test for our code, but I'm sure it will perform. What's more, we added a new rating system. Previously, the reviews were random, but now it depends on the satisfying of the guest needs.
Okay, so the rating system is a very great mechanic, and this is a very complex one that includes also the guest design. So right now we are only implementing a base of it, right? Okay, so we will continue to improve it, but for now we have also two more great news.
Guess who's back?
Demo is back. And our demo is not like previous time, the separate story, but right now it's the very start of the game, and it will show you how the game improved. So if you tried the game earlier, you would definitely like to give it a second chance, but if you don't know the game and if you had no occasion to play it earlier, you would definitely like to see how we improved that and if right now the game is what you would like to play. Our new demo will be available on December 18th, together with the start of Steam Winter Sale. So if you would like to try it and see on your own eyes how we fix the game, I encourage you to try it on December 18th. All your saves will be transferred to the main game if you decide to continue your gameplay after the demo, so you can keep your progress.
I think we're almost ready for the new December patch.
So do I, but there is still one important thing that we need to say to our community, and unfortunately it's related to the saves. Unfortunately, your saves will be lost. So if you played Hotel Galactic earlier, do have it in mind that you have to restart the game. We decided to restart the saves because it will help us prevent the future breaking of the game. And due to a lot of saves that were corrupted previously, we want you to start the new build on completely new profile. Okay, so we have, to summarize, we have new features, we have new mechanic, we have the VIP guest and the lore, we have compendium, we have reworked research 3 and a lot of qual improvements. but we have something else.
Yes, and the Steam sale.
That's right. The most important part, of course, guys. For the first time, Hotel Galactic will be on 25% sale during the winter sale on Steam. And to celebrate that, we would love to invite you to watch our Twitch drops because we implemented additional mechanics, which is Twitch drops. And thanks to that, we will be able to give you way more free items only by watching how other people play. So this is wonderful. And also, I think that will be a very nice surprise for many of you because we will launch a contest. And this will be a big one. You might remember our customized Steam Deck from the first contest that we launched during the Kickstarter campaign. So this one will also have this great reward come back, but also will contain 49 other rewards to win. So guys, remember about the contest, remember about the Steam sale, and I hope to see you soon at Hotel Galactic.